Yo, what is up, guys? Black Steel was in the house. Check it out. Just received the last a piece to the trilogy of the West Point Lincoln scent. This is the uncirculated Lincoln scent. Guys, let's check out and see what's in the box. Let me go ahead and show you guys the West Point penny first. Check that out. That's the business strike, the uncirculated. So these might be in circulation because this is the business strike, the uncirculated, but they still come in a little plastic bag. Say United States Mint. This is the last piece to the puzzle, which is a great piece to the puzzle. Now they put all the proof sets in this little box like this. It's the uncirculated set. Unboxing. This is easy. It's easier to unbox this little box. It's not that tough. Oh, guys. Check that out. Check this out. Wow. Comes with a Philadelphia and a Denver set. Blue and red. Pull that out the box. There we go. There we have it. Nothing else is in that box. There we have it, guys. Ladies and gents, check this out. Wow. This is crazy. This is the Denver. That is the Denver. You got your Sacagawea, your Roosevelt dime. You have the new quarters in there. Wow. This is a nice set. This is a very, 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 very beautiful set. Very beautiful set. Very beautiful. Untouched, unscathed Denvers. It'd been nice they put the West Point quarters in there. I'm just saying. That is a beautiful set. Every coin in that bad boy is just outstanding. Let's see. See if they got a P mint mark on it. Nope. Just playing. No P mint mark. P mint mark would have messed up all the 2017 pennies. Collectors would have probably pulled them back into the bank. No, they hoard those. This is awesome set. Thank you guys for checking out the unboxing with me. 2019, the last piece to my puzzle. This will be going into the book. Thank you guys for joining me. This is Black Steel checking out. If you like the content of my videos, feel free to subscribe, guys. I'm doing big giveaways for appreciation to you guys for just being here with me. I never imagined to make some of these milestones. So go check out that 400 subscriber video. If you didn't leave a comment, leave a comment. Hit that like button on all my videos, on this video, and just show YouTube that you appreciate what I'm doing. And I'm going to show you guys I appreciate what you guys do. This is Black Steel checking out. You guys have a blessed one. Peace.